In the infinite expanse of the universe, one question persistently nudges our curiosity. Are we alone? This question, simple yet profound, has been the bedrock of countless debates, stories, and scientific pursuits. It has echoed through the ages, from the ancient civilizations who gazed in wonder at the night sky, to the modern scientists who probe the cosmos for signs of life. Our journey today takes us across time and space as we explore the enigma of extraterrestrial existence. We'll dig into the annals of history where we find the first inklings of humanity's fascination with celestial beings. From ancient myths and legends to medieval paintings depicting strange objects in the sky, the belief in beings from beyond our world has left an indelible mark on human consciousness. As we progress, we'll delve into the modern era, where reports of unidentified flying objects and close encounters with alien beings have become a global phenomenon. We'll examine some of the most compelling and controversial sightings, from everyday individuals to military personnel, each with a story that challenges our understanding of reality. We'll explore the rigorous search for evidence, where researchers and enthusiasts alike have dedicated their lives to uncovering the truth. From analyzing photographs and footage to studying alleged alien artifacts, we'll get a glimpse of the methods used in the quest for proof. But amidst the fervor and fascination, skepticism thrives. We'll look at the counter-arguments, the debunked cases, and the question of whether some sightings are simply elaborate hoaxes or misinterpretations of natural phenomena. Science too has its say. We'll delve into the Drake equation and the scientific pursuit of answering this age-old question, providing a perspective grounded in data and probability. And finally, we'll reflect on the cultural impact of aliens, examining how they've infiltrated our imaginations, shaping our culture and influencing our media. The quest for extraterrestrial life forms is as old as humanity itself. As we venture into the depths of this cosmic question, we invite you to keep an open mind, to question, to ponder, and to explore with us the mysteries of the universe. The history of humanity is ripe with beliefs of celestial beings, otherworldly entities that have shaped our myths and legends. These beliefs are not limited to a single culture or era, but are a shared thread running through the tapestry of human history. Let's take a step back in time to ancient civilizations. The Sumerians, one of the earliest civilizations, left behind clay tablets inscribed with tales of Anunnaki, deities said to have descended from the heavens. The ancient Egyptians revered their gods as celestial beings, often depicting them with features unlike any earthly creature. In ancient Greece, tales of gods and demigods, celestial beings with immense power, were woven into their mythology. They looked up at the night sky, seeing in the stars not just light, but the twinkling homes of their divine pantheon. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and we find a fascination with celestial beings alive and well. Medieval paintings often featured strange objects in the sky, interpreted by some as early depictions of unidentified flying objects. The Baptism of Christ, a 15th century painting by Aart de Gelder, for example, showcases a bright, disc-shaped object showering light onto the scene below. In the East, ancient texts like the Indian Vimana Shastra describe detailed accounts of flying chariots, piloted by beings not of this earth. The Native Americans, too, have a rich tradition of star beings and sky people, integral to their spiritual beliefs. These historical beliefs, while diverse and rooted in different cultures, share a common theme: the existence of life beyond our planet. They reflect our ancestors' fascination with the cosmos, a curiosity that has endured over millennia. The idea of life beyond our world has been a part of human consciousness for centuries. These historical beliefs, whether myth or reality, have shaped our perception of the universe and our place within it. As we continue our journey through this cosmic exploration, we carry with us the curiosity of our ancestors, forever gazing up at the stars and asking, are we alone? As we moved into the modern era, reports of unidentified flying objects and encounters with alien beings have surged across the globe. From the skies of New York to the remote corners of Australia, sightings have become a global phenomenon, transcending borders and cultures. Let's take a journey through some of the most notable modern sightings. One of the most prominent of these occurred in 1947, when a private pilot named Kenneth Arnold reported seeing 9 strange objects flying in formation near Mount Rainier, Washington. Arnold described the objects as moving like a saucer if you skip it across water, giving birth to the term flying saucer. Fast forward to the late 20th century, a series of sightings known as the Belgian UFO wave captured global attention. From November 1989 to April 1990, thousands of people across Belgium reported seeing large, silent, low-flying black triangles. The sightings were so widespread and consistent that even the Belgian Air Force was drawn into the investigation. Meanwhile, in the 21st century, declassified military footage has added a new dimension to the discussion. One such video, released by the US Department of Defense in 2017, shows an encounter between Navy fighter jets and an unidentified object off the coast of California. The object, described by the pilots as a tic-tac, exhibited extraordinary speed and maneuverability, prompting speculation about its origins. But it's not just military personnel and pilots who report these sightings. Everyday people from all walks of life claim to have had close encounters, their testimonials adding to the growing body of eyewitness accounts. These sightings, often inexplicable, continue to fuel the debate on alien existence. As we delve deeper into the mystery, one thing becomes clear. In the search for extraterrestrial life, the truth is often stranger than fiction. The quest for tangible evidence has led to a plethora of research into the mysteries of UFOs and alien encounters. This pursuit of proof is a fascinating journey, one that has taken scientists and enthusiasts into the heart of the unknown. In the vast, uncharted territories of space, the search for evidence is as relentless as it is captivating. It's a scientific detective story, a cosmic whodunit, where the clues are as elusive as the subjects of the investigation. The methods employed range from the traditional to the cutting edge, and each approach brings us one step closer to understanding the enigma that is extraterrestrial life. Photographic analysis has been a cornerstone of this investigation. Images of strange lights in the sky, unexplained aerial phenomena, and purported spacecraft have been scrutinized in minute detail. The goal? To separate the inexplicable from the mundane, the otherworldly from the earthly. This process requires a meticulous eye and a healthy dose of skepticism, as the line between fact and fiction can often be blurred. Beyond photographs, alleged alien artifacts have also been a focus of study. These objects, often shrouded in mystery and intrigue, are said to have originated from beyond our world. From fragments of supposed spacecraft to purported alien technology, these artifacts represent tantalizing pieces of a puzzle that has yet to be fully solved. Yet, despite the challenges, this search for evidence is far from a fruitless endeavor. Each piece of data, each artifact, and each photograph brings us closer to understanding whether we are truly alone in the universe. While the answers may not be readily apparent, the quest for knowledge continues, driven by our innate curiosity and the tantalizing possibility of discovery. The search for evidence, while challenging, remains a key aspect of the extraterrestrial exploration. It's a journey that takes us beyond the boundaries of our planet, into the limitless expanse of the cosmos. As we continue to delve into the unknown, we remain hopeful that one day, we might finally uncover the truth about extraterrestrial life. With the rise in reported sightings, skepticism has also grown, leading to questions about the validity of these encounters. It's only natural, after all. The extraordinary claim of extraterrestrial life demands extraordinary evidence. This skepticism has manifested in rigorous scrutiny of alleged alien encounters, leading to some high-profile debunkings. Let's take a step back to the mid-20th century. The famous Roswell incident of 1947 became a lightning rod for skeptics. Initially reported as a crashed flying saucer, it was later revealed by the US military to be a top-secret research balloon. This revelation fueled skepticism and led many to question the credibility of other reported sightings. But it's not just misinterpretations that skeptics point to. There's also the issue of hoaxes, deliberate attempts to deceive for fame or financial gain. The infamous alien autopsy footage released in the mid-90s claimed to show the post-mortem examination of an extraterrestrial being. It was later exposed as a hoax, further muddying the waters of the search for extraterrestrial life. Then there are the natural phenomena often misinterpreted as otherworldly. Meteor showers, unusual cloud formations, even the planet Venus have all been mistaken for UFOs. Without the right knowledge and understanding, it's easy to see how these could be misinterpreted. But skepticism isn't necessarily a stumbling block. On the contrary, it's a vital part of the process. It pushes us to probe deeper, to ask tougher questions, to demand better evidence. It ensures that the search for extraterrestrial life is grounded in rigorous inquiry, not wishful thinking. While skeptics continue to question, enthusiasts and researchers alike remain undeterred, and perhaps that's the beauty of this cosmic quest. It's a journey fueled by curiosity, a willingness to question, and a thirst for understanding. The line between truth and fiction remains blurred, making the quest for truth ever more intriguing. Beyond the sightings and stories, some scientists have sought to approach the question of alien life from a strictly scientific perspective. One such approach is the Drake equation, named after its creator, astrophysicist Frank Drake. The Drake equation is a probabilistic argument that attempts to estimate the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. The equation takes into account factors such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars which have planetary systems, and the number of planets that could potentially support life as we know it. It also factors in the fraction of life-bearing planets where intelligent life emerges, the fraction of civilizations that develop a technology that releases detectable signs of their existence into space, and the length of time such civilizations release these signals. While the Drake equation doesn't provide a definitive answer, it does offer a scientific framework for thinking about the possibility of extraterrestrial life. It's a tool that guides our search and fuels our curiosity. However, it's important to remember that the Drake equation is only one method of estimating the likelihood of communicative extraterrestrial civilizations. Other scientific methods include the study of extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions on Earth. By understanding these organisms, scientists hope to predict what kind of life might exist in the harsh environments of other planets. Furthermore, the ongoing exploration of our own solar system and beyond, through missions like those undertaken by NASA, continuously provide us with new data, feeding into these estimates and theories. The quest to answer the question of alien life is not a simple one. It's a multidisciplinary endeavor that spans astronomy, biology, chemistry, and physics. It requires us to question our understanding of life, intelligence, and the universe itself. The scientific quest to answer the question of alien life continues, fueled by our innate curiosity and the vastness of the cosmos. The concept of aliens has transcended the boundaries of science and has firmly entrenched itself in our culture. The idea of extraterrestrial life has become so pervasive that it's virtually impossible to imagine a world without it. Consider our literature. From H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds to Arthur C. Clarke's 2001: A Space Odyssey, the notion of beings from other planets has sparked some of the most thrilling narratives in the realm of science fiction. These stories have not only entertained us, but also provoked deep philosophical questions about our place in the universe. Now, let's take a look at the silver screen. Movies like E.T.E., Close Encounters of the Third Kind, and Independence Day have captured the imaginations of millions, showcasing a range of alien encounters from the friendly to the downright catastrophic. These cinematic interpretations have become part of the global conversation about extraterrestrial life, inspiring wonder, fear, and endless speculation. But it's not just works of fiction. The idea of extraterrestrial life has also influenced our collective consciousness. It has altered the way we view the universe, encouraging us to ponder the profound question, are we alone? This question has driven scientific inquiry, inspired technological advancements, and fueled our curiosity to explore the cosmos. The cultural impact of aliens extends even further. They've become a symbol for the unknown, the strange, and the excitingly different. They represent our yearning for discovery, our unquenchable thirst for knowledge, and our ceaseless quest for understanding. In essence, the idea of aliens and extraterrestrial life has become a mirror, reflecting our deepest fears, our highest hopes, and our unending fascination with the universe. Whether they exist or not, whether they are friendly visitors or hostile invaders, the concept of aliens has undoubtedly left an indelible mark on our culture and our psyche. Aliens, whether real or imagined, have become an enduring part of the human narrative. As our journey into the realm of aliens draws to a close, the central question remains: are aliens myth, mystery, or reality? We've traversed the annals of time, delving into ancient beliefs and modern sightings, and we've grappled with the evidence, or lack thereof, for extraterrestrial life. The truth remains elusive, shrouded in a veil of uncertainty, intrigue, and endless speculation. We've explored the historical underpinnings of our fascination with life beyond our planet, from ancient myths that spoke of celestial beings to medieval art that depicted otherworldly figures. This enduring curiosity, this longing to comprehend our place in the cosmos, is as old as humanity itself. In the modern era, sightings of unidentified flying objects and encounters with purported alien beings have become a global phenomenon, cutting across cultures and continents. These accounts, though varied and often controversial, add another layer to the enigma that surrounds extraterrestrial life. The search for tangible evidence remains a challenging endeavor. From scrutinizing photographs to analyzing alleged alien artifacts, researchers, both professional and amateur, continue their quest for proof. Yet for every piece of potential evidence, skepticism arises, questioning the validity of these findings and pushing us to differentiate fact from fiction. Science, too, has made its foray into the alien debate. From the Drake equation's mathematical estimate of communicative extraterrestrial civilizations to the ongoing exploration of distant planets and galaxies, the scientific community is actively engaged in the pursuit of answers. And let's not forget the profound impact of the alien narrative on our culture, as extraterrestrial themes permeate our literature, films, and collective consciousness. This cultural fascination underscores our deep-seated curiosity and the enduring appeal of the unknown. As we conclude, we find ourselves back where we started, at the heart of a mystery that continues to captivate us. The existence of aliens, whether myth, mystery, or reality, remains unanswered. The search continues as we, a tiny speck in the cosmic vastness, ponder the existence of life beyond our world.